Rule number, which are we on? 9. Blend shapes. Never, ever, ever, ever freeze blend shapes. Let's see what that does to us. So right now I've got these 3 blend shapes in here. I want to know what the cranky control was. Okay, so these 3 blend shapes. And if we look, this blend shape back here has translation numbers in it, because it needs to know how far offset it is from the main character. What happens if you freeze transformations? Let's see. I'm going to select that blend shape back there and modify. Freeze transformations. Notice -5, 5, -14. 2 zeros. Now when I dial it in, broken rig. It no longer has that offset, so all the components go back to match that. Oh, that's really horrible, isn't it? So do not freeze transformations. Should you wish to try and resurrect, you could possibly work out the buried numbers in here and bring them back up. And there are scripts to help you unfreeze. It's not an easy thing. The best way to do it is to abstain from freezing blend shape transformations.